Okay, go.
Hi Miss, my name is Hanis Norazan. I'm from tutorial 3. Today I'll be proposing the research topic for my assignment 2, which is entitled The Influence of Communication Channels on the Performance of Organizational Members. The emergence of various channels of communication with the advancements in ICT has actually provided the opportunity for the effectiveness to be analyzed. Focusing on the impact of the channels of communication used in an organization, this study attempts to investigate how the use of communication channels can influence the performance in the organization. This research is actually inspired by the media richness model by Duff and Langle, which uses the ambiguity of organizational tasks as a gauge in their study. This research attempts to fulfill the gap in Duff and Langle's study by implementing the model into the context of a local organization. Sullivan provides this research with a more concrete foundation with the study of the different capacity and characteristics of various communication channels. Next slide. Range, Junior, and Lewis assist this research by studying the clarity of communication and communication channel preferences with a quantitative methodology in the analysis. Dennis and Velasquez proposed a remodeled version of the media richness theory, which explains how the communication effectiveness is influenced by matching the media capabilities to the needs of the fundamental communication processes. Okay, I have proposed 2 research questions for my research, and the first one is, what are the channels of communication used in the organization? And the second one, how does the channel of communication influence the performance of the organizational members? A quantitative approach will be adopted as it contributes to widen the scope of my research with more in-depth and personal responses from the respondents. 5 directors from an organization that provides brand protection and security solutions and products will be voluntarily interviewed to find out how the use of communication channels in the organization actually help to influence the performance of its members. And I'll be proposing the format for my assignment 3. The format for my weekly journals will be incorporated into feature stories that will be compiled as a magazine that adopts a minimalistic style in terms of design. And for the final essay, which will be incorporated as a feature article in my magazine, and I'll be actually doing topic 2, which discusses the theories of human relations and human resources.